So with deep dry cleaning curtains, of course with curtains the biggest problem is dust. You just need to open the window, brush against them, and the dust goes flying everywhere. As a process, we specialize in using the Kirby to deep dry clean, remove all the dust from the curtains. We always start from the top, start with the rails, and then work our way down with the curtains. Once all the dust is properly removed, then we spot clean to remove stains, and then we steam. That helps to bring out the colors and remove any grime from the curtains. We recommend curtains are cleaned at least once, or if not even twice a year, depending on how much they're used. But we can clean them on site without having to remove them. Saves a lot of time and effort getting them done and rehanging them. So a lot of clients use us, especially when they can't remove the curtains or just too much hassle.